Customers can avail the exciting service benefits at all ISUZU authorized dealer service outlets from the 25th of July to the 2nd of August 2022. The 21st of July 2022, Chennai. In a constant endeavour to reaffirm ISUZU's commitment to provide best service and ownership experience, ISUZU Motors India will be conducting a nationwide ISUZU I-Care Monsoon Camp for its range of ISUZU D-Max pickups and SUVs. This service camp is aimed at offering customers exciting benefits and preventive maintenance checks for a hassle-free driving experience during the season across the country. An initiative of ISUZU Care, the monsoon camp will be organized across all ISUZU authorized dealer service outlets, between the 25th of July to the 2nd of August 2022, both days inclusive. During this period, customers can also avail special offers and benefits for their vehicles. Customers visiting the camp will receive the following: free 37-point comprehensive checkup, free top wash, 10% discount on labor, 5% discount on parts, 5% discount on lubes and fluids. Note: terms and conditions apply. The monsoon camp will be organized at all authorized service facilities of ISUZU located in Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhimavaram, Bhuj, Calicut, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi, Dimapur, Gandhidham, Gorakhpur, Gurugram, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Indore, Jaipur, Jalandhar, Jodhpur, Kochi, Kolkata, Kurnool, Lucknow, Madurai, Bangalore, Mehsana, Mohali, Mumbai, Nagpur, Nellore, Pune, Raipur, Rajamundry, Rajkot, Siliguri, Surat, Tirupati, Trivandrum, Vadodara, Vijayawada and Vishakhapatnam. Customers can call the nearest ISUZU dealer outlet or visit https://www.isuzu.in/service-booking/ for service booking. Customer can reach 1-800-4199-188, toll free, for more information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.